All right, good morning, everybody. We're going to get started here today. Welcome to the Industrial Hemp Production Workshop being hosted by the University of Illinois Extension. My name is Philip Alberti, and I'm the crop science educator in Stevenson, Joe Davies, and Winnebago counties. This event has been constantly evolving since we started planning, so I'm going to appreciate your flexibility. We didn't quite expect this many people to be here, so we are thrilled. But we look forward to the information which will be shared and the connections that are going to be made here today. I'm pleased to say that we have a great lineup of presenters and topics for you in a short amount of time, and so I want to get to some housekeeping stuff, and then we're going to move forward and just get started. First, I'd like to thank our County Director, Margaret Larson, for letting us put this event on, for all the staff that has helped me put this event together, and I would also like to thank the speakers ahead of time for traveling as far as they have to come speak with you today about this. Just some housekeeping notes. Again, bathrooms are going to be through these doors to your right. Food can be purchased in the cafeteria downstairs if you get hungry. And this information will be made available on our website and shared with you all after the event, and will be recorded as a webinar. So we ask that you do not ask questions during the presentations. We're going to have a Q&A and a large networking session after for those questions, so please just save them. Focus on what you want to know that's not being presented, and the rest of the information will be given to you in due time. Please no phone calls or conversations during the presentations, and if you could take them into the lobby, that would be fantastic. Shortly after we get started here, I will be passing around these demographic folders, and since we are a government-funded program, we ask that you fill them out. They are not mandatory. They're completely voluntary, but it helps us determine or to get funding for programs such as these. So with that, we'd like to begin, and I would like to introduce our first presenter, in a way, Stacy McCaskill, the director of the Illinois Small Business Development Center at Sauk Valley Community College. And I would like to bring her up here to talk a little bit about what they do.